Hello and welcome to Ask Henry show from Henry Having Education. Today we have the spiritual speaker, the confidenter, with us, Guruji. So, sir, my one question to you is: what, according to you, is your suggestion or your opinion on the role of research innovation in the collaboration of higher education and industry? What is your opinion for it?
See, we still are lacking in the formal researches, and we need to accelerate it many folds. World is quite ahead of the researches, and we have to bring out the qualitative researches, which hitherto we have quantitative researches, but not qualitative researches. These researches actually cater to the need of the industry. When industry perform better with the minimal use of technology and other expenses, and performance is better, maximum or at least optimum, so then it helps to the nation to grow. So I think right from I'm of the opinion, though MPhil has been abrogated, but still I think that MPhil should have been there. But from last year of bachelor's degree, research should be started, and then in masters there should be research again and again. Dissertation writing should be there in all subjects.